Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC settings. And in today's video, I will show you on how to optimize your Windows PC for best gaming performance without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Go ahead and click on Start. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Settings right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on System. Click on Display. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down to Graphics. Next thing you want to do right here, optimization for Windows games. Reduce the latency and use advanced features in compatibility game by using flip presentation mode, etc. Be sure you turn on this. Once you turn on this, then you will need to restart your apps or game to use changes right here. Then you can also come down below right here. Go ahead and click on Add Desktop App right here. Then you can select your game from your Windows environment and make sure you add it into your app under the graphics sections right here for best and in order to boost the performance of your game. Then you are good to go. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Windows settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.